everybody, and welcome to my channel. So we have a Amazon unpackaging. So let's just get into this. Alright, so I'm going to pull everything out and then I'm going to go through it with you. So first off, I have these eyeglass nose pads. So I have a couple different sunglasses that I need these for. Sorry, you can't see me. I need these for. So they just look like this. So they'll just go on my sunglasses. So the next thing I got, it's in a little pouch, said Harley Davidson Motorsports, or motorcycles. And I got a Harley Davidson pair of sunglasses. So I have a really cute black pair that I got, but I really like this style of sunglasses. So these were on sale, and so I picked them up. And they do say Harley Davidson inside of them, so I thought that was cute. These will go on to this piece right here. Then the next one is this. Should be a bag. Oh my goodness. Really shoved it in there, didn't I? Alright. Sorry for the crinkling. I know some people don't like it. Just trying to find out how to... There we go. How to open this. Alright, done with the crinkling. Yes, this is going to be pretty. Oh, that's so cute. I really like it. Okay, so this is my little bag that I got. So what it's going to do is it's going to go on my side, and then it drapes up and comes around my neck. So that's pretty much what it's going to look like. Super cute. Really like it. They had like skulls and stuff on the website. On eBay. Amazon. Sorry. Roll call. But, I didn't really want a skull one. That's not my style. This one has like a little, star. Thought that was cute. So it comes with a long strap and the crossbody and a short strap. So that'll be nice. And then so the short strap probably goes under here and the long strap goes on top. So anyway, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe down below. I will try to leave the link for all of these items down below as well. All right, thanks you guys. Bye.